Right. I'm just making sure everybody is awake. The objective of supply chain is to make sure that the right product is available at the right time, at the right place, in the right quantities, without heavy investment and with low operating costs. Am I right? And I'm amazed by some of you principal companies here, receiving primary, secondary, tertiary visibility across the supply chain, across your dealers, distributors, retailers. And depending on that visibility, planning your production. Right production means right product, or lack of product in the store means lost sale. And the lost sale analysis. The same is felt by the distributor, appropriate stock levels and complex coordination with his vendors and his retailers. And then the credit limits, fixing, recovery of money, etc., etc. The issues faced even by the dealer and retailer at the last mile. The issue faced by most principal companies is lost sales, because when the customer comes to the store, my product is not available, so a competitor's product is positioned. And at another point, even the competitor's product is not there. So a substitute is provided to the customer, which ends in total loss sale for everybody. So somebody's loss is somebody's gain. But how do we ensure in this uncertain situation that my growth as a principal, as a vendor, happens? I had the good fortune of listening to Professor Saral Mukherjee, who's a professor of IIM, Ahmedabad. He's a professor who's into supply chain research, teaching, and also consultation. Now, he took this interesting analogy of animals in the jungle, right? So he spoke about an elephant, a large elephant, who is typically plays with the cost, low number of SKUs, efficiency of scale, and he is very cost effective, so he is able to sell at reasonable prices. And then he talks about a cheetah who has to earn his living on a daily basis. As in, he has to chase a deer and catch the deer. And the thing about the deer is, in its fight to survive, it keeps changing its course and keeps running. So that is the case of most people, because very few monopolies exist in the country, in the market, and most of them are oligopolies. So how do you survive in this situation? Now the interesting thing is, he talks about the elephant as well as the cheetah being blind. Because when we do not have visibility of what sells at the last mile, we are literally blind to the situation. Now let's consider the elephant. The elephant eats grass or plants. The plant doesn't move, so it's easily available. Even a blind elephant probably gets to eat its grass, which means a company which operates on large scale can still manage, if there's a new entrant, a new competitor in the market, by just manipulating the price. Keep reducing his price, because the new entrant will not be able to sustain that for very long. Whereas in a very competitive environment, the cheetah, who has to run and chase and catch a deer, has to be very sensitive. If the cheetah is blind, that might mean sure extinction. So in this scenario, he asked, this was at I heard him speak this at a manufacturing CIO summit recently in Ahmedabad. And he asked the CIOs, the audience, what would be the value of this visibility that they are willing to pay? What would be the value of visibility of the last mile sale and stock?